Hello friends, this is Sumit Bagula and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friend, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life and Dr. Vijay Daifale will solve your problem in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Daifale in detail.
Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology.
So friends, now that you all have got information about various clinics of Dr. Vijay Daifale, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Now let's start the show. We have doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction. And sir, you have been getting a lot of questions on your email, on your WhatsApp as well. And sir, even we are getting regularly a lot of questions on the videos that we share, that we share on the various social media platform in the comment section.
Sure.
So sir, people want to know scientific information about sexual dysfunction, and due to public demand, you have shortlisted this particular very sensitive and very important topic, which is sexual dysfunction and small penis, sir. So sir, my first question is, sir, what are small penises? Please tell us.
Definitely. So in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are taking scientific information of different sexual parts of the body. What is normal? Most important in male and female. One must have the knowledge. What is normal? Otherwise you cannot describe or compare between abnormal. We are giving this information under one frame. Time, place, person, condition, culture, safety, consenting, apna own or known partner. In such a cases, small penis is a very, very important topic. Everybody is very curious, whether in pediatric age group, whether it is in adult age group. Especially in pediatric age group, the complaint which people present, the parent present, is that definitely they are unable to see that penis. If you see in adult, in erect position, if suppose the penis after erection is not more than or not larger than 2.5 inches, that is called as a micro penis. But in pediatric age group, in child age group, how we have to differentiate that, how you have to treat that, what are different types, definitely we'll see one by one.
Definitely. Sir, so what are causes of these small penises? Please tell us.
Definitely. These causes are described congenital causes. Then according to its location, its size related to its hormonal. If you see the congenital causes, due to some obesity, much more deposition of fat in the pubic region, due to some abnormal deviation of the penis, due to changes, or it's like a hypogonadism, means where these sex hormones, these testosterone levels, they are depleted, and these are the main causes of small penis, and we'll see one by one how to treat that and how they are classified.
Definitely. Sir, regarding this particular topic, I would like to ask you a few more questions, but we have one caller on the show. We have Rushikesh from Kolkata. Can we take that call?
Definitely, sure.
Rushikesh, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, how to increase girth of penis?
Okay.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
In small penis, again there are types. Small means in length they are smaller, and again they are very thin. Means thin girth and elongated, or thin girth and short penises. Especially to increase the girth, we have to use the P-shot therapy. Means we have to use the platelet-rich plasma. We have to inject in the corpora, and they will create new fibroblasts, new blood vessels, and new nerves. That will increase the girth. If suppose they want much more girth than that also, in that cases, some synthetic scaffolds. These scaffolds, they are inserted or they have kept below the corona and up to the base of penis, and these scaffolds later on they are filled up by the tissues, and later on the girth of the penis increases. So, they have to visit sexologist, urologist and andrologist, and definitely we can give them the expected size.
Definitely. Sir, again coming back to
Yeah.
our question and answer. Sir, what are buried penises? Please tell us.
Correct. This is congenital category. The baby is very chubby, very fatty, and what happens at pubic symphysis, you can see only the prepuce or some small skin. What happens with this distribution of this pubic fat, that whole shaft of penis and base of penis is buried in that fat. To confirm it, if you press with the both hands at the root of penis, then penis is protruded out. In such a cases, you don't have to worry that much. With increasing age, with definitely when the fat goes down, slowly that penis comes out. If suppose in adults, such type of buried penis if you are getting, in that case it requires removal of that local fat, or you can call it as a liposuction, and that will give the good side to that patient.
Definitely. Sir, just now you told us about buried penis.
Sure.
Sir, now please tell us about web penises. Sir, what are web penises? Please tell us.
Correct. This is again one of the category. What happens? If it is buried, it is due to fat. Web. Web means what? The penis is having long length skin which is hanging below, and that is giving appearance that penis is shorter. Means if you pull the penis, you can see that web. You can see that web of the skin, and that web you have to remove it by surgery. You can say reconstructive surgery. Again reposit that flap, and in this case you can get a proper length of a penis, and you can treat it very nicely.
Definitely. Sir, we have one more caller on the show. We have Shruti from Aurangabad. Can we
Surely,
take that call?
definitely, yeah.
Shruti, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi sir,
Hello.
my son is having curd penis with urine opening from downside. What is treatment for it?
Excellent.
Okay.
So this is very common finding.
Yes, sir.
After birth, they can see the total penis is curled like this and going down. Why this happens? There is one entity called as hypospadias. What she is again telling, the urine opening is from downside and it is not from the tip. This is called as hypospadias due to some congenital reasons. It might be distal penile, proximal penile, mid penile or perineal. And what happens? Due to non-development of the spongiosum, this all penis get twisted and it goes back. In such cases, it requires staged repair. In first stage, you have to release it, means orthoplasty, skin cover, glanduloplasty. This type of steps are done. And in second step, if required, you have to give or you have to correct if any fistula which remains there. So this is called as a hypospadias, and after treatment, it gives the excellent result.
Definitely, sir. Again, coming back to our
Yeah.
question and answer. Sir, what is Cordy without hypospadias? Sir, please tell us.
Excellent. Now we will continue the same talk. In this case, chordae means it's a bending, and that child was having opening. But in this case, there is a bending of a penis, and the tip is also at the penis. Means this urethral tip is at the penis. There is no hypospadias. So it is a chordae without hypospadias. In this also, in first stage, you can release that chordae, remove that attachment, and you can make the penis straight, and definitely you can enlarge the size of the penis also.
Definitely, sir. One last and one
Yeah.
very important question, sir. What is treatment for this small penises? Please tell us.
Definitely. See, treatment of cause. So, treatment of cause is the first line of treatment. Chubby penis is there, you have to wait for the fat to go down, or in adult you have to liposuction. Web penis is there, you have to cut that web. If it is with chordae or any type of attachment, in that case you have to remove that attachment. If suppose it is to corporal non-development in adult, in that cases you have to give P-shot injections, and in rare cases if suppose it's a very smaller one, there is no erection one and you have to increase the length and girth, silicone scaffold, or if required you can put in a penile implant. Depends only one thing I will tell you, according to age, according to size, according to cause, if you will take the treatment nicely, if you present to sexologist, urologist, neurologist within time, you can make your penile size very satisfactory and you can enjoy your sexual life very nicely.
Definitely. Sir, thank you so much for sharing all this valuable information. But sir, due to time constraint, we have to stop here in this particular episode, but definitely we'll meet in next episode
Back
with
again. Yeah.
important information.
Sure.
But friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Daifale's consultation. There are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Well friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.